Can we learn Arabic from an innovator?
You see, you're asking me a specific situation for a general ruling.
Okay.
I would say to you, no, it's not allowed.
As a general ruling?
Yeah, but there could be a particular person I might say to them, you can go study there.
Why is it not allowed? We were just learning a language.
It doesn't stay as a language. Because the person is a Muslim.
Yes.
A person who's a Muslim is closer to you than a non-Muslim.
Okay.
So you kind of, he will push you, he will give you that feeling that he's a Muslim brother of yours that has salams, you give him salams. Second thing is, I mentioned the statement of Imam 𝗙𝗀𝘁 rahimahullah ta'ala, where it weakens the heart. It weakens the what? The heart to his statements. So when he brings an Arabic example and he brings the ayah 𝗓𝗲 عَلَى الْعَرْشِ اسْتَوَى, let's say the word istawa means istawla, and he throws that in, and you're just a young, basic Arabic learner, or he tells you that the kalam, إِنَّ الْكَلَامَ لَفِي الْفُؤَادِ وَإِنَّمَا جُعِلَ اللِّسَانُ لِمَا فِي الْفُؤَادِ دَلِيلًا. That speech doesn't come out, it's what's inside you, كَلَامٌ نَفْسِ, and you just take that in, you take it in.